Good morning, grade 6. Welcome back to grade 6 mathematics class. Hope you all are doing great today. We have come to the end of the 7th chapter. I hope all the concepts we learned in this chapter are clear to you. Today, let's discuss a few questions from revision time exercise. So, all of you, please turn to page number 109 in your textbook. Do you see the exercise revision time? Let's discuss the first question. So, it says, write the following numbers in their expanded form and decimal form. So, here you are given two number names. You have to write the corresponding decimal numbers and also the expanded form. See the first one, 7 and 300. We have learned two methods to read and write decimal numbers. So, the first one, 7 and 300. See, the word and denotes the decimal point. So, the words to the left of it denotes the whole number part. So, the whole number part is 7 and the words after the word and denotes the decimal part, the digits in the decimal part. And it says 300, which means the digit 3 is in hundreds place. So, how do you write the corresponding decimal number? It is 7.03. There is no 10th digit mentioned. So, you can insert a 0 in the 1/10th place and the corresponding decimal number here is 7.03 and it can also be read as 7 and 300. Now, how do you write the expanded form for this decimal number? So, for the whole number part, we have the digit 7. So, what is the place value of the digit 7 in this number? It is 7 ones or 7. So, how do you write the expanded form? This is equal to 7 plus. Now, what about the place value of this 0 here? It is 0 itself. There is no need to write that 0 there. So, let us consider the next digit in the decimal part. The digit 3 is in the hundredths place. So, its place value is 3 hundredths or 3 by 100. So, we can write this as 7 plus 3 by 100. So, this is the expanded form for this decimal number. Now, you have to write the corresponding decimal number for the second question also and write its expanded form. Let's see the second question. Write the following decimals in words and write its numerical form also. So, here you are given two expanded forms. Let's see the first one. Here, the place values are given, the expanded form is given and the corresponding decimal number is equal to this 300 plus 20 plus 9, which is 329, and then you have the decimal digits, the digits in the decimal part. 3 tenths, which means it is 0.3, then 7 hundredths. So, the digit 7 has to be in the hundreds place. So, the corresponding decimal number is 329.37 and the number name is 329.37 and it can also be written as 329 and 3700. So, both are correct. Do the same for part B of this question. Let's discuss the third question now. Convert the following decimals to fractions in their simplest form. So, here you are given decimal numbers. You are asked to find out the corresponding fractions. So, here you are going to convert a decimal number to the fractional form. Let's take the first one, 4.8. See, to convert that in the corresponding fraction, just ignore the decimal point and write the number without the decimal point and that is going to be the numerator. And the denominator will have to have as many zeros as the number of digits in the decimal place. So, here the given decimal number is 4.8. So, we have written the number without the decimal point here. So, it is 48. That by, now how many digits are there in the decimal part? There is only one digit, which is 8. So, in the denominator we have to write 1 0. There is only 1 0 because there is only one digit after the decimal point. So, what if this was 4.81? How would you write it as a fraction? See, first we have to write the given number without any decimal point and that divided by, just write a 1 and count the number of digits after the decimal point. There are two digits here. So you have to write 2 zeros here. So it will be 481 by 100. So here the number given is 4.8. The corresponding fraction is 48 by 10, and we can reduce that to a simpler form. Both are multiples of 2. So 48 divided by 2 gives you 24, and 10 divided by 2 gives you 5. So the fraction 48 by 10 can be simplified to 24 by 5. Now follow the same procedure for the rest of the given numbers. Now let's discuss the fourth question. Group the following decimals into two groups such that one group has decimals bigger than 12.121 and other group has decimals smaller than 12.121. So here you are given a few decimal numbers. What you can do here is make a small table like this and compare each of the given decimal number with 12.121, and then you can categorize the given decimal numbers as numbers less than 12.121 and numbers which are greater than 12.121. And you can complete the table like this. Let's see the fifth question now. It says arrange the following decimal numbers in ascending order. So we have learned how to compare decimal numbers. First we have to compare the whole number part, then we'll proceed to comparing the decimal part. So two set of decimal numbers are given here. Let's take the first set. In the first set, you are given the numbers 39.14, 39.05, 35.94, 34.095, 35.405 and 34.95. So the first step is to compare the whole number part. So which are the numbers given as whole number part here? 39, 39, 35, 34, 35 and 34. We are asked to arrange the numbers in ascending order. So from the smallest to the biggest. So among these, which is the smallest whole number? Is it 39? No, it is 34. Now there are two numbers with the whole number part as 34. One is 34.095, the other one is 34.95. Now since the whole number part is the same, we are going to compare the digit in the tens place now. So here the digit in the tens place is 0, whereas here the digit in the tens place is 9. Which is smaller? 0 is smaller. So which decimal number is smaller here? 34.095 is smaller than 34.95. So this has to be written first and the second will be 34.95 in the list. So see, compare the other numbers in the list, you will get the ascending order of the numbers is 34.095 less than 34.95 less than 35.405 less than 35.94 less than 39.05 less than 39.14. So this is the right ascending order for the given set of decimals. So follow the same procedure for part B of the question and write the correct ascending order in your notebook. So children, I hope the 5 questions we discussed today are clear to you. You can complete these questions in your notebook. So that's your homework for the day. Complete the questions 1 to 5 of revision time exercise in your notebook. So that's all for today. We'll discuss the rest of the questions in the next class. Till then, bye.